this video we will know the some basic features which are continents, oceans, equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, prime meridian, international date line, Indian Standard Time and some major countries. So start with the continents. As you know, there are 7 continents. So this big land is Asia continent. Asia. Here is the Ural mountain and in this side here is the यूरोप. दोनों को मिला के यूरेशिया बोलते हैं. ये दोनों अलग अलग कॉन्टिनेंट हैं और ये यूराल माउंटेन जो है ये यूराल माउंटेन है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो माउंटेन का होगा उसमें आप इसको ज़रूर देखेंगे. इससे सेपरेट होते हैं. दिस लैंड इज कॉल्ड अफ्रीका. एक ये कॉन्टिनेंट हो गया. दिस इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया कॉन्टिनेंट. ऑस्ट्रेलिया. दिस इज नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड दिस कॉन्टिनेंट इज साउथ अमेरिका. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 और एक यहाँ पे नीचे हम देख रहे हैं. यहाँ पे इसका जो एक्सटेंशन है इट इज़ अप टू दी 60 डिग्री ओनली. पोलर रीजन 90 डिग्री पे होता है. यानी अगर इसका एक्सटेंशन अगर 90 डिग्री तक होता तो यहाँ पे ये जो रीजन है जिसका ये कुछ पार्ट दिख रहा है छोटा सा, तो यहाँ पे आपका अंटार्कटिका है. अंटार्कटिका. ओके. सो ये 7 आपके कॉन्टिनेंट्स हो गए. एशिया, यूरोप, अफ्रीका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका एंड अंटार्कटिका. नेक्स्ट इज ओशियंस. ओशियंस. सो देर आर 5 मेजर ओशियंस. बिगेस्ट ओशियन इज ये पैसिफिक ओशियन है. पैसिफिक. और ये भी पैसिफिक है. अब डोंट वंडर दैट दीज आर नॉट टू. अगर ये ग्लोब पे होता है ऐसे तो ये दोनों तरफ से मिला के एक है, लेकिन मैप पे है तो इस लाइन के सहारे इसको ओपन कर दिया गया है. तो लेकिन मैप पे इट इज कॉल्ड ईस्ट पैसिफिक ओशियन एंड दिस इज वेस्ट पैसिफिक ओशियन. ये एक ही है. सो एक पैसिफिक ओशन हो गया. और ये जो मिडिल वाला रीजन है यस शेप में है. यस. ये है अटलांटिक ओशन. अटलांटिक ओशन. दिस इज इंडियन ओशियन. इंडियन ओशियन. हेयर आल्सो यहाँ पे ये जो है वाटर बॉडी इसको बोलते हैं आर्कटिक ओशियन. और यहाँ पे नीचे यहाँ पे थोड़ी वाटर बॉडी है जिसको बोलते हैं अंटार्कटिक ओशियन. कॉन्टिनेंट का नाम था अंटार्कटिका. ओशियन है अंटार्कटिक. सो 1 2 3 4 and 5 oceans. Next is equator. इक्वेटर की लाइन. See this 0 degree and 0 degree. It divides the earth into 2 parts and if you draw a line from here, अगर हम 0 डिग्री से ये एक लाइन खींचते हैं ये जो हमने लाइन ड्रा की है इस लाइन को बोलते हैं इक्वेटर. ये अर्थ के बीचों बीच से जाती है 0 डिग्री से. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इक्वेटर. अब यहाँ पे जो ये लाइन डॉट डॉट आप देख रहे हो, ये ड्रा है ऑलरेडी, दिस इज 20 के ऊपर है एंड इट्स मेजरमेंट इज 23.5 डिग्री. दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. Here we write Tropic of Cancer, and below the equator here is also this dotted line. It was 22.5 degree north, and below the 0 degree it is 23.5 degree south. So it is called Tropic of Capricorn. Next is prime meridian. So these three lines are 1, 2 and 3. These three lines are called latitudes, and this is longitude. If we draw a line from this 0 degree to this 0 degree vertical line, then it is prime मेरिडियन. ये वो लाइन है जिस लाइन पे ही ये लंदन है, ये ब्रिटेन है, यहाँ पे लंदन है, लंदन यहाँ पे एक प्लेस है ग्रीनविच, यहीं पे एक लैब है, टाइम लैब है जो इंटरनेशनल टाइम लैब है, और यहीं से पूरे वर्ल्ड का टाइम जो है वो रेगुलेट होता है. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. ये आप जो डॉटेड लाइन, ये वाली लाइन जो आप देख रहे हैं 180 डिग्री की लाइन है. ये 180 डिग्री की लाइन, इसको कहते हैं इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. नेक्स्ट इज इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. जैसे यहाँ से वर्ल्ड का अपना टाइम रेगुलेट होता है, बट सबके अपने अलग टाइम जोन होते हैं, ऐसे इंडिया का टाइम जोन है जो है 82.5 डिग्री. 82.5 डिग्री इसके इस तरफ है, इस तरफ तो ये ईस्ट है, इस तरफ वेस्ट है, तो ये ईस्ट है. यहाँ से जो हम लाइन खींचेंगे 82.5 डिग्री की, it will pass from the India and it is called IST. From here it is IST, Indian Standard Time. Next is some major countries. So this is our India, you know, this is our India. This is China, this is Britain, here is Italy, Spain, France, Australia, you know, here is USA, America, United States of America, here is Canada, this is Brazil, here are West Indies, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan. These some are the countries. Shade and fill seas, gulfs and straits. So some names which we have to fill are Caribbean Sea, North Sea, Black Sea, South China Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Gulf of Carpentaria, Hudson Bay, Persian Gulf, Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of Guyana, Bering Strait, Strait of Gibraltar and Strait of Malacca. So here we start. First is Caribbean Sea. Okay, so in the previous video you have known that this is North America, this is South America, these are the Caribbean islands, these are the Caribbean islands which are called West Indies country. Okay, from where players are famous, six hitters. So this is Caribbean islands, and here this water part is called Caribbean Sea. CARIBBEAN, Caribbean Sea. Okay, this is the water body which is called Caribbean Sea. Next is North Sea. North Sea. So this is sorry this is Britain. Okay, this is Britain and this is Scandinavian countries. Here this water body is called North Sea. I am writing with blue pen because the water bodies are shown in blue color. Next is Black Sea. So this water body is called Black Sea. Okay. Next, South China Sea. So here in India, in Asia continent, I told in the previous video this is China. So this water body is called South China Sea. आप ऐसे याद रख सकते हो, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर के पास में यहाँ एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट के इधर साइड में जो यहाँ पे वाटर बॉडी है ये साउथ चाइना सी इसको बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट फीलिंग इज मेडिटेरेनियन सी. सो दिस इज यूरोप and this is Africa continent. This water body is called Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. Okay. Next, Gulf of Carpentaria. So here this is Australia and this is New Guinea. Here is Arafura Sea and this is called the Gulf. Gulf is a region water body which is surrounded by the land from three side. वाटर की बॉडी जो थ्री साइड से सराउंड होती है वो गल्फ होती है और एक छोटी वाटर बॉडी होती है. अगर बड़ी वाटर बॉडी हो और थ्री साइड से लैंड से सराउंडेड तो उसको BAY बे बोलते हैं. जैसे ये बे ऑफ बंगाल है बट यहाँ पे छोटी वाटर बॉडी है तो ये गल्फ है. यहाँ पे है गल्फ ऑफ कारपेंटरिया. Next, Hudson Bay. So this is America, this is Canada and this surrounded water body is called Hudson Bay. अभी मैंने बे की डिफिनेशन बताई. देखो तीन साइड से लैंड से घिरा हुआ है तो ये बड़ी वाटर बॉडी है तो ये बे है. यहाँ पे नैरो वाटर बॉडी थी तो वो गल्फ थी. नेक्स्ट फीलिंग इज पर्सियन गल्फ. सो हेयर इज योर मेडिटेरेनियन सी. यहाँ पे मेडिटेरेनियन सी का जो लार्ज पार्ट यहाँ अंदर तक आया हुआ है और थ्री साइड से यहाँ वाटर से सराउंडेड है ये, तो ये पार्ट जो है दिस इज कॉल्ड पर्सियन गल्फ. दिस इज कॉल्ड पर्सियन गल्फ. नेक्स्ट इज गल्फ ऑफ मैक्सिको. So this is Caribbean Sea, this is Mexico country. Okay, and this water body is called Gulf of Mexico. Next, Gulf of Guyana. So here your Africa continent. This यहाँ पे जो वाटर बॉडी यहाँ पे थ्री साइड से लैंड से कवर्ड हो जाती है इस चीज़ को बोलते हैं गल्फ ऑफ गुयाना. नेक्स्ट, बेरिंग स्ट्रेट. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट इज बेरिंग स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम वेयर द एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द अमेरिकन कॉन्टिनेंट, ये एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट का ही यहाँ से ये पार्ट है, यहाँ से ये दोनों तरफ से इसको बेरिंग स्ट्रेट बोल सकते हैं। अगर ग्लोब पे होगा तो ये पार्ट दोनों मिले रहेंगे। सो हेयर वी राइट बेरिंग स्ट्रेट। स्ट्रेट क्या होती है? स्ट्रेट एक नैरो वाटर बॉडी होती है जो दो बड़े वाटर बॉडी को कनेक्ट करती है। यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, इधर वाटर बॉडी है, इधर वाटर बॉडी, ये वाटर का पार्ट कनेक्ट कर रहा है। अगर ये बड़ी वाटर बॉडी होती तो इसको चैनल बोलते हैं। नेक्स्ट, बेरिंग स्ट्रेट डन। स्ट्रेट ऑफ जिब्राल्टर। सो दिस नैरो वाटर बॉडी, ये मेडिटेरियन सी है, आपने भी जाना, और ये अटलांटिक ओशियन है, पिछले वीडियो में आपने जाना था। और ये बीच में जो थोड़ा सा ये वाटर बॉडी है, यानी जो ये दोनों को कनेक्ट करती है वाटर बॉडी, इस वाटर बॉडी को बोलते हैं स्ट्रेट ऑफ जिब्राल्टर। स्ट्रेट ऑफ जिब्राल्टर। एंड द लास्ट वन इज स्ट्रेट ऑफ मलक्का। सो हियर योर इंडोनेशियन islands, Java, Sumatra and Borneo. This narrow water body is called Gulf of Malacca. Gulf of Malacca. So we will know the given rivers, location of given rivers in this video. The name are Mississippi, Colorado, Amazon, Paraguay, Nile, Zaire, Niger, Zambezi, Orange, Rhine, Volga, Danube, Murray, Darling, Huangho, Yangtze-Kiang, Ob, Indus, Ganga, Mekong, Irrawaddy, Tigris and Euphrates river. So let's start. First is Mississippi. So here in America, in the east side, this is east side and this is west side. In the east side, this is Mississippi river. Mississippi river. Next is Colorado. So in the west side of America, here is Colorado river. Colorado river. Next river we have to fill is Amazon. You know the Amazon river is the largest river, not longest, largest river in the world. So here in South America, in Brazil, this is Amazon river. Amazon river. Next, Paraguay. In the Brazil country, here is Paraguay river. Paraguay river. Next, Nile. Nile river is the longest river. It flows in Africa continent. Where in Africa? Here. It ends in the Mediterranean Sea. This is Nile river, world's longest river. Next river is Zaire. Zaire river also in Africa. Here is Zaire river. Next, Niger. This is Niger river in Africa continent. Zambezi river is also in Africa. Here is Zambezi river. This river is known for the hippopotamus and crocodiles. Next river, Orange. Orange is the name of river, not any fruit. Orange. This is Orange river in the southern side of Africa. Next, Rhine River, the busiest commercial river in the world. It is in the Europe. Here is Germany, this is France, this is Belgium, this is Rhine River. Next, Volga. Volga is called Russian Ganga. This is in the Russia continent. This is Volga. Next river is Danube. Danube river also in Europe. Here it is, Danube. Next, Murray. Murray and Darling, both river are of Australia. This is Murray river and this is Darling river. Murray and Darling. Next is Wango. Wango is the river of China. Here it is, Wangho. Yangtze Kiang is also the river of China, the longest river in Asia continent. Here it is, Yangtze Kiang. Next, Ob. Here it is, Ob river. Next, Indus. This is Indus, passes from India and goes to Pakistan and then ends up in the Arabian Sea. It is Indus river. And next is Ganga river, the longest river of India. Here is Ganga river in India. Mekong. Here is Mekong river. Next river is Irrawaddy in the Myanmar. Here is Irrawaddy. Irrawaddy river. This is Irrawaddy river. Next is Tigris. Tigris river. So here is Tigris river. This is Caspian Sea, this is Black Sea, and here is Tigris river. This is Gulf of Oman. Is Tigris river. And last one is Euphrates. Below the Tigris, here is Euphrates. Euphrates. So this is the river map. Hope you understand. In the next video we will learn to fill the mountains. So subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so next when we upload the video you can get the notification. Thank you. We will know about the mountains and their locations. So mountains we have to know are up to the syllabus. You have to go elsewhere. Just remember these locations and you will do 100% the board exams. Mountains we have to know are Rockies, Andes, Appalachian, Alps, Himalayas, Pyrenees, Scandinavian, Highlands, Caucasus, Atlas, Drakensberg, Khingan, Zagros, Urals and Great Dividing Range. So start with the mountains. This is first Rockies. So here in eastern side of America, this is Rockies. And next is Andes in the South America, the same side, this is Andes. Next Appalachian in the America, in the west side, this is Appalachian mountain. Next Alps, just come to the Europe continent now. This is Alps. It is stretched in the France, Germany and the parts of Belgium. Next, Himalayas in the India. This is Himalayas mountain. Pyrenees in the Europe continent. Here it is Pyrenees. Next, Scandinavian Highlands. So this is Scandinavian country. This is Scandinavian Highland. Scandinavian Highlands. Next is Caucasus. This is Caspian Sea and this is Black Sea. Between this, here is Caucasus. Caucasus mountain. Next, Atlas. This is Africa continent and to the north of the Africa, this is Atlas. Next, Drakensberg. To the south of the Africa, here is Drakensberg. Drakensberg. Next, Khingan mountain. Here in the China, this is Khingan mountain. Next, Zagros. This is Zagros mountain. Next, Urals. Here is Ural mountain that separates the Asia and Europe. I told you in the first video. Next and last one is Great Dividing Range. This is the only mountain range lies in the Australian continent. Here it is Great Dividing Range. आपको करना क्या है, आप जस्ट एक मैप लीजिए और वीडियो देखिए जहाँ पे इसकी लोकेशंस हैं, आप उसको फिल करिए। एक बार देख करके फिल करेंगे एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम आप अपने आप से फिल कर लेने लगेंगे। ओके, स्कैंडिनेवियन हाईलैंड्स, आल्प्स, पिरेनीज, एटलस, अपलेशियन, रॉकीज, एंडीज, काकेसस, यूराल्स, जैग्रोस, ड्रैकेंसबर्ग, हिमालयाज, खिंगन and Great Dividing Range. So we end up this video and in the next video we will know about the plateaus. Subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so when I upload the next video you can get will know about the plateaus. The plateaus we have to know are up to the syllabus. These are Canadian Shield, Tibetan Plateau, Brazilian Highlands, Patagonian Plateau, Iranian Plateau and Mongolian Plateau. So start with the Canadian Shield. Here is Canada and all this region if we set this total, this is Canadian Shield. Canadian Shield. Next is Tibetan Plateau. Here above the India, this is Tibetan Plateau. When you fill the map in the examination, use brown color pen for the mountains and plateaus. Tibetan Plateau here. Next, Brazilian Highlands. here is Brazil in South America, and this is plateau in the Brazil called Brazilian highlands. Next, Patagonian plateau in the same continent. Here this is Patagonian plateau. Patagonian plateau. Next, Iranian plateau. Here is Iran and here is Iranian plateau. Iran is the country, here lies the Iranian plateau. Tell in the comments box that what is the capital of Iran. This is your work. Next and last one is Mongolian plateau. Here above the China, this is the Mongolian country, and here is Mongolian plateau. In this video, we will know the natural regions of the world. First, equatorial region. So this is 0 degree equator, and if we draw a line here, if we draw a line here, this is equator. Okay, so the regions around it are equatorial region. Start with the north, with South American continent. This is equatorial region. This is coastal plain of Colombia. Did not to know, just set the region, and I am telling you the name. Coastal plain of Colombia, and here are equatorial regions in this side in South America. These are Amazon lowlands. Amazon forest are famous in the world, lie in the equatorial region. Now in the African continent, this shaded part is equatorial region in Africa. They are Congo basin. They are basins of river Congo. So Amazon basin, Congo basin. Now in the Asia continent, these group of islands, Java, Sumatra, Borneo, this is Guinea, New Guinea, Papua, these are in the Asia. So here the shaded parts are the equatorial region of the world. Okay, they are known for the high temperature and high rainfall. Next natural region we will know is Mediterranean region. So first, here is the Mediterranean Sea, and around the Mediterranean region in the Africa continent and in the Europe continent, this all shaded part lies in the Mediterranean type of climate. Okay, this, and in the North America, this is the California. Here is also the Mediterranean type climate. So California in America, here around the Mediterranean Sea, and to the south of Africa, this is called Cape Province, Southwest Cape Province. Here is also Mediterranean type climate. And in the South America, the central Chile is the name of country. Central Chile has also Mediterranean type of climate, and in Australia, Southwest Australia has Mediterranean type of climate. So just recap, around the Mediterranean Sea, California, Central Chile, Southwest Cape Province, and Southwest Australia. These are the Mediterranean climatic regions. The pencil shaded parts are the equatorial climatic region. Next is tropical grasslands. So the grasslands which are in tropical region means between the Tropic of Capricorn to Tropic of Cancer is called the tropical grasslands, or where is the effect of the tropical region. Okay, so in the South America, here is the grassland region called Llanos. Name is important. Llanos, tropical grassland. And here in the middle, in the Brazil, this grassland is called Campos. In the Africa continent, if we leave the equatorial region and set the beyond part, means this region, it is savanna grassland. It is also tropical grassland and its name is savannas. And in Australia, grassland found here. Okay, so these are the tropical grasslands. Next, temperate grasslands. Grasslands found in temperate region are called temperate grassland. Here in America, this is grassland region called prairies. In Eurasia region, means Europe and Asia region, here the extension of temperate grassland is called steppes, and here this region the grassland is called Manchuria. In the South America, it is called Pampas. These are the temperate grasslands. Before this, we read tropical grassland. Pampas. In the Africa, this is called veld. Here in Australia, this is called downs. Okay, so these are the temperate grassland: prairies, steppes, Manchuria, pampas, veld, and downs. Now the taiga and the tundra regions. So first the taiga regions. Here in the Canada, this part, and in the Eurasia, this part. Okay, these are only taiga regions. Okay, in the North America and here in the Eurasia, means Europe and Asia. And above this, the land region which is remaining, okay, which I am shading with the red color, is called tundra regions. Okay, beyond the taiga region is tundra region. I think you have got this. Tropical desert region. In the North America, here is desert is called Sonoran desert. In North America, here is desert region called Atacama. It is the driest desert of the world. The least rainfall, Atacama desert. Here is the greatest desert, the Sahara desert. This desert region is Sahara desert, world's largest desert. Sahara desert. This is Arabian desert. And here in India, this is Thar desert. In Australia, this is Great Desert of Australia. So these are the tropical desert region of the world. Names are Sonoran, Atacama, Sahara. Here is Kalahari desert also, Arabian, Thar, and Great Desert of Australia. The last natural region, tropical monsoon. So the monsoonal region in the tropical area are called the tropical monsoon. Here in India, Indian subcontinent, whole Indian subcontinent, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan, this whole country, whole part that I am shading, including Sri Lanka, is lies in the tropical monsoon region. Here in Australia also, is North Australia is in tropical monsoon region. Some part of Africa here, this part are in monsoon region. Here the Mexican countries in America, these are in monsoon region, and here in eastern part of Brazil also lies in the monsoon region. So hope you got the monsoon region. The shaded part are the tropical monsoon region. So here is the total work of your map. I think you understand it. If you have any problem, please write in the comment box, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and share this video as much as you can. Thank you.